Let's get my package. Oh yeah, I've got a bunch of Rubik's cubes.
My brothers, I decided to open my new package. I have got so many puzzles.
I don't know where to start. I'm confused. But this week I'm going to learn to solve
3x3 Rubik's Cube.
As always, this is inspired from Mike Boy and Mike Shake. So, today is day 1, hour 0. Let's get it started. And for now, let's trash these off.
Let's get to the cube. Ooh, it's so smooth.
It looks like I need to understand the language of the Rubik's Cube. I found this very beautiful video on YouTube from Brightside. Man, solving this last layer has become so tough.
Up, right reverse, up reverse.
Ooh! Look at this! Oh my god! I just solved it! It took me 1.5 hours to solve this cube. I finally wrote all the algorithms on a piece of paper. Get that handwriting. You really bad. Let's start practicing Rubik's Cube to solve it under 3 minutes. So it's 0, 0 and start. I messed it up. I have to start again. Damn it. 12 minutes. I tried for 12 minutes and I messed it up and I'm starting again. Messed up again. I'm hungry. Let's go and eat some fruits. Pineapple. I have been practicing for past couple of days. So today is the final test. 3, 2, 1, start. I'm getting there. 5 minutes 33 seconds. Woo! I was not recording, I was just practicing and suddenly I hit less than 5 minutes. This is really amazing. Woo! Oh, 3 minutes 17. Three 16. Ah, close, very close. 13 seconds. Damn it. I'm very close. I solved this in 3 minutes 10 seconds. Oh, I missed by 2 seconds. Damn it. Ugh. That hurts. Yes. I did it. 2 minutes 50 seconds. Woo! I did it under 3 minutes. Oh my god. Banana.